outline here. So we're moving on to week 3 of essay 5, and this is your elocution. And our rhetorical device that we're adding is and you can pronounce it 2 ways, antithesis or antithesis. The antithesis is not the division, okay? So that does not count. Because I have a lot of students who want to say that or think that.
This is still essay 5?
This is essay 5. Yep. Okay. So now we're just adding. So the antithesis is a scheme with contrasting ideas in parallel form. So remember how we did parallel phrases? That's what the antithesis is. We're going to do, but we're only going to do 2. We're going to do parallel phrases.
So this one says counterthesis.
No, counterthesis is not. The counterthesis is part of the division.
Wait a minute, where did you go then?
Okay, so down at the very bottom here.
Okay, got it. Right here. Oh.
Yeah. Yes. Counterthesis is just the affirmative and negative portion of the division, which is should and should not. The counterthesis would be should not. Okay. That is not your antithesis.
Okay.
Although the words are irritatingly similar. The antithesis is another parallelism, but this time it's opposite ideas. Okay. So you're going to start with your sentence structure wherever you choose to place it. So where do you think it would be dramatic in your essay to add a contrasting idea?
Maybe with safety, because
Safety.
the safety was actually very dangerous.
Okay, so Edmund wanted the adventure and he wanted the safety that the queen offered. Okay, so we're going to create this proof into a sentence structure, an antithesis sentence structure, so that we've got both the safety concept and then the opposite. So Edmund, so I'm just going to kind of start brainstorming to get your ideas flowing. So something like Edmund sought the safety that the White Witch could provide and feared the risk that his siblings were taking, or something like that. Then we're gonna have to look on the structure.
The risk of being abandoned and alone, like he's
Yeah.
feared
Feared the risk of being alone.
in a strange land, or whatever. It's like he's brand new to my life.
Yes. Yeah. Is that kind of making sense with you guys? Anybody have any other better ideas to throw into it?
I
Okay.
know. There's a
So-
sermon in there somewhere.
So now we've just written this in. So Edmund sought safety and he feared, how did you say it, Beth? And he feared
Something like being lost in a strange,
yeah.
In an alien.
Feared.
Being alone in an alien.
Sought safety. I'm struggling with being alone because we're adding another word in just as far as the parallel structure goes. So if Edward sought safety, then he feared loneliness.
That's the word.
Feared loneliness from being, you can go on at that point. So you've got your parallel structures there. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so the antithesis is just a parallelism with opposite views. Okay,
Great.
any questions on that?
Sure.
Okay, so elocution week, they're gonna come home Tuesday. They're gonna add in their antithesis, their, let's see, we had our parallel, one word parallel, and then we had our strong verb, and then we had our parallel phrases, and now we're adding our antithesis, okay?
Okay,
Sound good?
week 2 is always elocution.
No, week 3 is only
Sorry.
elocution.
Okay. Yeah, right? Week 3. I'm just getting down the lingo again. You know, it's just-
Yes. Invention, arrangement, elocution.
Okay, that's it.
Because arrangement is your outline. You have to have your outline before you can actually write your paper. Okay, so that's essay 5.
Hey teachers, thanks for popping in and watching this video. If we haven't met before, hi, I'm Erica Lynn and I'm a homeschooling mom. I have 4 kids and I have been teaching them for over 10 years now. We use a classical approach to schooling, so I've been using My Father's World and Classical Conversations. It's my goal to help homeschooling become easy for you too. So I'm taking all the tips and tricks that I have learned over the years and I'm putting them here for you to see. So congratulations on making it to the end of the video. Would you just pop a hearts emoji into the comments so that I know you watched the whole thing? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you liked this video about the LTW curriculum, you need to check here to see the next video in this series. You guys have a great day. And remember, you are already enough.